Hi everybody, welcome back to Chuzgapa Engineering, and we're back with another video on 2D sketching in CREO Parametric. In this video we will be sketching this from this technical drawing that you can see over here. Yeah, so before we move on with the video, I would highly appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel as well. It helps me out greatly, and also I'm putting out a new video every single day, so if you don't want to miss out on all those, make sure to subscribe to this channel as well, and leave a like and leave a comment as well if you've got any feedback. Thank you very much. Without any further ado, we're going to move on with the sketching. So when you start a new file in CREO Parametric, you can see this window with the three planes that you can see over here. You can see the names of these planes on this side, right, top, and front. And when I click it, you can see that they get highlighted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sketching on the top plane, and if after selecting it, I'm going to go here and click the sketch button so that it can enter the sketching mode. So in order to view the plane from the top, or a normal view, we can click this button and it can align the plane normally to us. So after that, I'm gonna turn all of these off: access points, the coordinate system, and plane display off, because I don't really need to see it, and because it gets messy when everything's turned on. So yeah, so looking at the drawing, you can see that the drawing is symmetrical about this vertical axis. So what that means is we only need to draw one half of the drawing, and the other one will be created using the mirror command and making use of the symmetry of this. So looking at the drawing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this point as the origin, and we're going to start referencing everything from here. And also you can see is that this drawing has a lot of arcs and circular arcs. So you can see you've got one circle, two circle, and a third bigger concentric circle. So we're going to start our drawing by making these ones. So you can see the diameter of the inner one is 36, I believe. Yes, 36, 30. Yeah, so that's the radius 30, and the diameter 128, the outer one. So we're going to start with that. I'm going to select the circle command. I'm going to put the center of the circle on the origin, and I'll make two circles. And to make the outer construction circle, I'm going to turn this construction mode on, and it's going to create a construction circle like this, because you can see it's a construction circle because of its dotted appearance. So the inner circles, so you can see there are no dimensions over here. It's because they've been turned off. So I will turn it on, back on. So the innermost diameter is 36, I believe. Yes, 36. I'll change it to 36.0. And so after changing the dimension, you can see it's not fully constrained. It's not turned purple. It's because if I click and drag it, it's gonna change its diameter. So to avoid that, I'm going to turn it back to 36, and I will click it once and click over here the toggle lock, which is going to lock this dimension in place. So now I'm not able to move it anymore. The outer diameter is not outer dimension is not a diameter, it's a radius. As you can see on the drawing over here, it says R30. So to convert the diameter dimension to a radial dimension, I'm going to click it once, and I will click this button, which is going to convert the diameter to a radius, and I will make it 30.0 like this. So, and I will lock it again, so we cannot change it. And the outer one diameter was, so now we need to convert it back to diameter. So same thing over here, it was 128.0, I think. I will lock it and I'll check it. Yeah, 128. So now you can see we've got these two circles as well, which are lying, whose centers are lying on this outer construction circle. And then we've got this axis, which is 30 degrees from the vertical in this direction. So I'm going to make this circuit, axis first using the construction mode. So you can see it's still turned on. I'm going to click the line command, and I will make this circle, make this line all the way to this point. Press escape and make this angle as 30 and lock this. Perfect. So you can see we've got these two circles, and the radius of all these circles is 10. So I'll turn the construction mode off, and I'll make two circles. First one is going to be over here, and the second one will be, second one will be, will be here. Yeah. Okay, I'll make it again. So second one will be here, and I will make sure to so that they are equal in the radius. So you can see the constraint for equality is being applied right now. You can see a small icon. I'll click it now. So that will make both of them the same radius as each other. So I only need to change this one. So I'll convert it to radius, make it 10, and I will lock this dimension. So you can see it's the radius for this circle has been updated as well. I think it was a radius, right? Not a diameter. Yeah, 10. Oh no, so that's the outer one. The inner one is 4 holes. I cannot see it properly. I think it's 4. Yeah, I think it's diameter 4, I think. No, it can be diameter. It should be a radius 4, yeah. So yeah, I'll change it back to, oops, not that. Change it back to radius. Make it 4.0, yeah. I think, yeah, that should be right. If not, I mean, I cannot see it properly, so, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's keep it 4. Let's make it 5 then. Make it bigger, yeah, like that. So now we've got this circular arc. Now that's radius is 10. I will make another radius. I will make another circle like that. Make its radius as 10.0. Perfect. And I will lock this as well. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this circular arc, which is going to be joining this circle and this one tangentially, which means it has a smooth join and it has a radius of 12. So I'll make another circle over here on this line, and I'll make sure to make it tangent to this circle first, and then when I change its radius to 12, you can see that it will automatically join it tangentially over here as well. So I will lock this dimension up, and I will delete the bits that we don't need, yeah, like that. And I think it's safe to delete this bit as well and all this, because if you remember initially at the start I told you guys that we're only going to be making one half of the drawing, so we don't need the other half. Yeah, so we've got another 2 concentric circular arcs over here. So we've got an inner circle which is going to have a same radius as these, and the outer circular arc of 12. So I'm going to make 2 circles on this line. Oops, delete that. Select the circle command again. So yeah, now it's equal to the other one, the one that's highlighted green that we want, and then make another circle which is gonna have a radius of 12.0 like that. Lock this dimension, and I need and we know that in vertical direction it is 125 millimeters away from this center, from the origin. So from the origin we need to make it 125.0 like that, and lock this dimension up. Yeah, so now you can see we've got this circular arc as well of radius 54. So yeah, we're gonna make another circle over here, which is gonna be joining tangentially to both of them like that. So if I hold control and select both of them, it's gonna make it like that. I think this circle lies on the center. Yeah, like that. Perfect. So we've got this center, a fully constrained circle. We'll delete the bits that we don't need like that and like that as well. So it's all about deleting now. So I think we've got an open geometry over here, which is okay. I think it's because of this line. So zooming back, so now I will turn all the dimensions off. So you can see one half of the geometry is ready. So I will select them like that, and I will use the mirror command to mirror it across this vertical axis like that. So now you can see just by making one half of the drawing, we were able to create the whole thing using the mirror command and the symmetries of the drawing that you can see. So yeah, that's how you create something like that. Thanks a lot for sticking around throughout the video. I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel as well. It's only going to take you 3 seconds to click on the red button. So yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you in the next video.